In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Breadcrumbs in Views. Let's dive right in. Open ClickUp and sign in. You'll land on your main dashboard, the hub for all your projects and tasks. On the left, open the sidebar using the sidebar icon, or press Ctrl plus / if you like keyboard shortcuts. From here, choose one of your spaces. Then open a specific list so we have a clear example to work with. In the list view, look to the upper right and click the Customize or Settings icon. This opens the Customize View panel on the right, which controls what your view shows and how it behaves. To surface breadcrumbs, turn on 3 key toggles: Show Task Locations, Show Subtask Parent Names, and Show Closed Tasks. Show Task Locations adds a breadcrumb trail right in the view, so you can immediately see where each task lives across Space, Folder, and List. Show Subtask Parent Names keeps hierarchy crystal clear by displaying a subtask's parent without extra clicks. Show Closed Tasks includes completed items, which is useful when you want the full story of a task's path, even after it's done. If you notice a More Options link under any setting, expand it to fine-tune how those details appear. While you're in this panel, take a moment to adjust layout and visibility, so breadcrumbs are easier to scan. Options like wrapping text and showing empty statuses can reduce truncation and help you spot missing work at a glance. Use the same menu's More Options section to tweak page layout and task visibility further. You're not adding new steps here, just presenting the breadcrumb information in the clearest way for your team. If it's helpful, add a short description to the view to explain what the breadcrumbs indicate in this context. When you're done, head back to your dashboard. In the upper left, use the subtasks as separate toggle to choose whether subtasks appear as standalone items or stay nested under their parents. This directly influences how the breadcrumb trail reads across different views. Try switching through other available view types to confirm your settings and see how breadcrumbs update. That's it. You've enabled and customized breadcrumbs in ClickUp views, so task locations and hierarchies are always clear. If you want to revert anything, simply return to Customize and switch those options off. If you found this tutorial useful, consider liking the video and subscribing so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.